This 2021 Heartland Pioneer RG 28 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Franklinville, North Carolina, 27248 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart, Asheboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features 2 entry-exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.